To find the volume of a prism, we use the formula volume equals area of cross-section multiplied by length. We first have to identify the shape, which is the cross-section, and then find its area. Make sure you use the correct formula for the area of the shape. For this prism, the cross-section is a triangle. To find the area of a triangle, we use the formula area equals base multiplied by height divided by 2. So for the triangle, area equals 8 multiplied by 3 divided by 2, which equals 12 centimeters squared. Once we have found this, we multiply this value by the length of the prism to find the volume. So for this prism, volume equals 12 centimeters squared multiplied by 12 centimeters, which equals 144 centimeters cubed. A cylinder is not a prism, as it does not have flat sides. However, as it has the same cross-section throughout, we can use the same formula to find its volume. As the cross-section is a circle, we need to use the formula area equals pi multiplied by radius squared. For this cylinder, the radius of the circle is 2 meters, so the area of the cross-section is pi multiplied by 2 squared, which equals 12.5663706 meters squared. Leave this value in your calculator as you will need it to find the volume. To find the volume of the cylinder, we multiplied 12.5663706 meters squared by 4 meters to get 50.26548 meters cubed, which rounds to 50.3 meters cubed to 1 decimal place.